Are you still bothered by unwanted hair? Almost everyone has a need for hair removal. You might still be using razors and depilatory creams, but they don't remove hair permanently. In contrast, laser hair removal is painless, comfortable, and fast-acting. Whether spa use or an individual, laser hair removal devices are your best choice, and Black Friday is the time to buy. This is the most popular IPL machine. Not only can it remove hair, but also achieve skin rejuvenation, remove pigmentation, and reduce redness. If you want a highly effective laser device, purchase an 808nm laser hair removal device. This wavelength of light can directly target the hair follicle, inhibiting hair growth. To achieve versatility, we are currently combining many 808 laser machines with YAG lasers. This allows for both hair removal and tattoo removal. If you're also looking to buy a laser machine, now's the perfect time. We have Black Friday discounts. Click on myChway.com to choose your favorite machine.